Sorry about that. dog?
Yes.
No.
Ah! Imagine I just go down this, I start laughing. Whoa! I'm scared. Imagine. Hold on. Whoa! Whoa! I like that. I like that. Imagine you fell down this, and then those start playing, I would be terrified. I'd be terrified.
Grabe ang ingay ng mga to.
Hey, you're good.
Grabe ang ingay ng mga nasa likod ko. Wow! So that's the finale. Yeah, finale na po yun. So ito yung mga tao, no? Nandito ako sa bank ng snow bank. Ayan, nasa tuktok ako nakaano, kaya kitang-kita ko dito. Yeah, so ayan, kitang-kita ko. Ayan, ang daming tao, oh. Ito yung festival na to na kung saan ang mga nandito means mga local dito. Ayan, naghihintay yung dalawa, yung anak ko at saka yung asawa ko. Kasi nandito ako sa tuktok, ayaw nilang umakyat dito. Anyway, ayan. Thank you. Thank you. Whew. All right, so yun. This is closed here, I guess. Can we go this way? No? No? No, it's closed. That's okay. You can go this way. All right. That's right. That was fun. So, ang deep freeze, yung mga nagtatanong kanina kung anong meron, it's a deep freeze. Pati yung dila ako nag-freeze na rin. yung dila ko nag-freeze. It's a deep freeze na kung saan, it's a festival na kung saan this is the coldest month of the year. Alright, hold on. So, naka-gloves ako, ganun kakapal. I'd say. But actually, hindi na nga ito malamig eh, kasi positive 2 today. Ibig sabihin, hindi na talaga ito yung pinakamalamig. Right, babe? This is not the coldest at this time. Because about 3 weeks ago, ayan, yung mga snow pa nandiyan dyan. Ano pa yan?
And we will still have cold weather.
Yeah, and then it's only this week that it's a little bit warm this week, but it's going to snow again about this week. So, but, we thrive, I think. What do you say? Right? We thrive. People thrive here. Actually, nag-i-improve ang Edmonton. Yeah. So, and we celebrate, especially yung mga festivals dito. Ang daming mga festivals. And I think I'm just grateful kasi dahil hindi na nga ako namamasukan, ibig sabihin hindi ako namamasukan sa labas, we are flexible ang aming mga schedules. Oo,
See that big? That's fine.
That one. What?
There's a big one there.
Which one? Oh, okay. I want to see here. I did not notice this a while ago. Okay. So, isa sa mga, later on, mayroon akong mga furniture na mga sculpture, like ice sculpture, para for your own, for you to see. Ayan. That one, it's made of ice po. Lapitan ko. But dahil maraming nagpipicture, hanggang dyan na lang. Pero gusto kong ipakita sa inyo that it's ice. Alright, it's an ice. Lalapit lang ako ha. Mga sculpture po ito. It's like a unicorn. There you go. It's ice. Okay. So yan. And then of course, I'm just grateful it's because madali akong tawag dito, mapasaya in fact. How would I say, easy to get happy, easy to please. Yeah. So ayan. So close ito pagka may mga festival, may summer festival din dito rin ginaganap yan. So close lagi ang road na to kasi ito yung pinaka main road in fact. When it comes to festivals, dito madalas ginaganap yung mga events. So close yung road. I don't know, maybe 10 blocks or more than that ang kino-close dyan. Anyway, and of course, palibot po kami dito ng mga peace officers yan. Yung mga truck na yan yung mga pumuputol ng mga, pumuputol ng mga kahoy. Anyway. Yeah, in case of emergency, usually yung mga truck